Imagine your day without news. Will you need an umbrella? Are you ready to vote? Why did your taxes go up? Transparent and well-sourced information can give you perspective in more ways than one. But finding the facts that you need and separating news from noise is harder than ever. We need a guiding light to filter information that is useful. News literacy means thinking critically to judge the reliability and credibility of news reports and sources. And when you add other types of literacy, you end up with a much brighter day. Financial figures are not as confusing. The commute is not as chaotic. And Village Hall, well, it's not as tall. When you engage with reliable news, the knowledge spreads to your neighborhood, your city, and your world. And it's not just about what you read, see, and hear. You can share your world and connect to the information you need to make smart, informed decisions. Young, old, and in between. Businesses, schools, and nonprofits play a part too. Today, we need ideas that allow accurate information to rise above the noise we encounter in our homes, at work, on the street. We need to remember why news matters. Together, we can illuminate Chicago, morning, noon, and night. It's time to turn on your flashlight.